had done before. Coincidentally, I was out looking for more, 'cause our monotonous lives, they resonate a vibe. Oh, it's great for a while, but don't get stuck inside your mind when you're planting. Your feet shuffling around like you're dancing. You're carrying so many pounds, you'll be panting. That's what happens to your body when you're tree planting. Well, if you can find the time to think clearly about where you really are and where to put your next tree. Relying on fate may be your only mistake, but don't be late, 'cause the trucks won't wait. So I say, my oh my, have I seen very many dead-end jobs before? And these here trees resonate positivity up for me a whole lot more. Well, you can choose a better job in any downtown as you have found, but if not, shut your mouth and put a tree in the ground. And the crew boss is bitching about your quality, but you don't really give a shit, 'cause you be making money, more money than you would make if you were in your hometown. So get the job straight and don't be fucking around. I'll plant that line of trees over there you see. So come up